Hello students. In the previous tutorial, we had learned about the parts of guitar, the body, and we had learned about the neck of the guitar, the fretboard, how the strings are placed, right? So in this tutorial, what we learn is the remaining parts of the guitar. Now, as you can see, this whole part is known as the body part or the main body. Okay. The next thing is the sound hole, right? So this is the sound hole from where we hear the sound. When we strike strings, it vibrate and it produces the sound with the help of the sound hole, right? The next part is this wooden part which is known as the bridge part here. So this is the bridge part. On this bridge part, we can see some pins. These are called the bridge pins. These are the one end of each string. E, B, G, D, A, E. These are the names of the strings. Okay. And these are the endpoints of each string. Another endpoint is attached, means the string is attached to another endpoint. These are called the tuning keys, okay, where the strings are attached. So through these tuning keys, we tune up the strings, we tune up the guitar, and this is how we hear the soothing sound. Otherwise, it may not produce some proper sound, inappropriate. Going further, this part, this wooden part, is known as the head or headstock of a guitar. So this is the headstock of a guitar. This white part, this one, as you can see, this white part is known as the nut position. This is where the fretboard ends. Okay. Now, here above the bridge pins, there is one more part that is called saddle. S-A-D-D-L-E. Saddle is the part where the strings are set up in such a way that it may produce some good sound. Strings are slightly elevated here. On this part, saddle, the strings are slightly elevated. So, what we have discussed today? We have discussed about the remaining parts of a guitar. Like in the previous lesson, we had learned about the neck of the guitar, the fretboard. In today's lesson, we had discussed about the bridge pins, the tuning keys, the headstock, the nut position, the sound hole, right? One more thing, these small circles are called the fret markers. Through these markers, we can identify on which fret we are currently placing our fingers on. So, this is the third marker, the third fret, first marker, third fret, fifth fret, seventh fret, ninth fret, 12th fret, then 15th and then 17th and so on. So these are the fret markers to identify the frets. So this is all for today. In the next lesson, we'll learn something different. We'll learn something else. Maybe we may learn about, the notes Indian method, or we may learn something more about guitar. Wait for the next video. We'll meet soon. Have a great evening.